Creating a portfolio website with WordPress in 2025 is easier than ever. And in today's video, you are getting a complete step-by-step tutorial where I will show you how to launch a beautiful portfolio site from scratch using a 3-day Cloudways trial. Let's get into it. Alright, to set the stage for this tutorial, I've built a fresh WordPress site just for this video, and we will be using it as our example portfolio. Even though this one is designed for a creative freelancer, the exact step will work for designers, photographers and developers. First, I'll show you how to sign up for a free Cloudways hosting account with zero setup stress. Then we'll install WordPress and pick a clean modern theme and start building up our key pages like our home page and our contact page. That's the plan. Let's jump into WordPress and start building our portfolio site. So to get started with Cloudways, just click on the link below and it will take you to the Cloudways official website. The link will bring you over to the Cloudways website. The next thing you should do is click on Start Free Trial. Now we have to sign up for a Cloudways account so we can access the free hosting plan. So let's go ahead and fill in our names, email and password. How would you best describe yourself? Just select any of the options that best describes your profession. For me, I will go for freelance developer. And for monthly hosting spending, choose an estimate of how much you spend on hosting every month. So I'll go for 0 to 50. Then click on I agree to Cloudways terms of services. So click on sign up to sign up for your free Cloudways hosting account. Over here, you will need to verify your phone number so you can activate your free hosting account. So that's what I'm going to do. And just like that, your Cloudways account is ready to go. Now that you are all signed up, the next step is setting up our hosting server. This is where your WordPress portfolio website will actually live. It only takes a couple of clicks. Let's set it up. So for the setup, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click on servers. So click on launch now. And for the application, make sure you select WordPress version 6.2.2. Next, let's give our application a name. So mine is going to be portfolio website. And for server name, I'll give it portfolio server. Now let's give our project a name. Next, you need to select a server you want your website to be hosted on. Luckily, Cloudways offers several server options to choose from DigitalOcean to AWS. But for this tutorial, we'll be selecting DigitalOcean. Next, we need to select a server size. This size depends on how big your website is. If you are just starting, you can start with 2 gig and scale up as soon as you begin to get more traffic to your website. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the cost of the monthly plan we selected. Mine is $28 for 2 gig and DigitalOcean. And one of the amazing things about Cloudways is that we can host as many websites as we want on our servers. We can host unlimited websites on our DigitalOcean server or AWS server. Finally, for the server location, choose the location that is closest to your target audience. So I'll go for New York. After that, click on launch now. So Cloudways redirects you to your homepage. So go back to the menu and click on servers. So as you can see, Cloudways is setting up our portfolio server. So Cloudways is going to take a few minutes to help you set up your server and launch your first website. Now that our hosting server is all set up, it's time to start building our portfolio website. So let's jump into WordPress and get started. So guys, let's go ahead and set up our website. So go to applications and click on your newly created project. For mine, it says portfolio website. So this will open a page that contains all the details for our website. Over here, you can click on the link to see how our website looks like right now. So let me just click on it. So this is what our website looks like right now. So as you can see, it doesn't look too nice, but in a short while we'll customize it and it will look like a professional website. So if you scroll down over here, you'll find our admin username and admin password. This username and password will help us log into the WordPress dashboard. Now to access the WordPress dashboard, let's click on this link here. So the next thing we need to do is copy the username and password. So we'll come over here, we click copy. Same thing for the password. And finally click on login. So this is our WordPress dashboard where we'll make all the adjustable settings and customizations from. So let's take a look at how our website is and see the necessary adjustments to make. So over here at the top menu, click on visit site. Looking at our website, you notice it's looking very basic and unprofessional. Now what we need to do is transform this website to a professional portfolio website. So the first thing we need to do is come over here at appearance and click on themes. Click on add theme. So you see several options of themes to install. We have Hello Elementor 2024-2023. But for this tutorial, I'll recommend Astra over here because it's free and is fully customizable. So just click on install, then click on activate. So at the top menu, click on dashboard. Over here, click on let's get started with starter templates. So let's give Astra theme a few minutes to activate. So over here, Astra gives us options to build our website. We can either choose to use the AI website builder or classic starter template. For the purpose of this tutorial, I recommend trying the classic starter template. So let's click on build with templates. We have to select a page builder. So let's go with Elementor. So let's give this a few minutes to synchronize the templates. This library contains so many types of website templates. We have for organizations, for churches, and for spas. But right now, we are trying to create a portfolio website. So let's search for a portfolio template. So scroll to the top menu. Under personal sites, click on portfolio and CV. What we need to do here is select a template that best describes our profession. So if you're a photographer, you can use this. If you're a web designer, web developer, you can use this. But for me, I'm going to choose this web designer template. So click on it. So over here, you can preview what your website will look like in a few minutes. This is the header section. This is where you offer your services. This is where you display your projects, the projects you have done. This is how our website is going to look in a few minutes. And if you want to make changes to your font type, you can come over here at the left side. Maybe you want a bold font, you can go for this. But I will stick to the default settings. I like this. Then if you also have a brand color and wish to switch the colors of the website, you can come over here. Maybe this or this. So I prefer the default colors, so I'll choose this. So let's click continue. So over here on select features, what you just need to do is make sure the three basic features are selected, which is page builder, contact form, and website, emails, and SMTP. So all these other features can be added when our website has been published. So let's go back to continue. The next thing we need to do is give a little bit of information regarding ourselves and profession. So my name is Emmanuel, my work email, then your professional experience. So I'll go for expert. Then choose your purpose of building this website. I'll go for myself. Click I understand. Then finally click on submit and build my website. So let's give it a bit of time so this page can be imported to our website. So to see what our website looks like, click on view your website. So as you can see, without much effort, our website looks beautiful and professional. Let's just take a very good look at it. Alright. So at this point, the next thing we need to do is change the image, name, and text wherever necessary. So we can easily do this by clicking on edit with Elementor. So let me come over here and click on edit with Elementor. Elementor is the easiest way to style and customize your website as a beginner. Now for us to get started using Elementor, let's click on skip. So I'll start by changing the name over here to my name. So just click on the element. My first name goes here and my last name goes here. So next thing we want to do is change this image to our image. So let's say we want to change this image. We can do this by clicking on the image element. We'll come over here, choose image, click on select files. Then you can choose your preferred image. So I'll choose this. So let's wait for it to upload. And when it's done uploading, just click on select. We can also resize our image by clicking on styles. So we can easily come here and resize our image. So we'll just toggle this button over here in max width. I think mine is okay here. Now to save our changes, just go over here and click on publish. So guys, you can basically repeat the same steps to further customize your website. So let's scroll down. Now let's say we want to change this image. All we need to do is come over here, click on this image, click on choose image, then select the imagery uploaded and click on select. Now over here we have options to add the links to our social networks. So let's say you want to add your Instagram account, you just click on the element and paste the link to your profile over here. So everything here is customizable. All you need to do is just come, click the elements and make your necessary edits. So let's scroll up. Over here we have this contact me button. So let me show you how this is going to work. If you click on this button right now, you won't see any changes. So but what we want to do is that when someone visits our website, we want them to be able to come over here, click on this button, and it takes them to a contact me page. So now let's do that. First, go over to publish and click on view page. Open this contact in a new page. Now to make this button lead to a contact me form, come over here to the top menu, click on customize. Open this, click on contact. To add the link to this button, all we need to do is come over here, click on menus, click on main menu. Now to add the link to this button, what we need to do, so let's come over here, copy the link to the contact page, click on the contact me button and paste the link you copied. So next, click on publish. So whenever someone visits our website and clicks on contact me, to bring them straight to the contact me page where they can fill in their names, their email address, their budget, and the description of website they want. So now that we have this contact me button working, we do not have a use for this contact me on the menu. So what we need to do is go back, click on primary menu, click on configure menu, click on edit menu, and click on contact and click on remove. Now click on publish. So next thing we need to do is change this logo over here to our name. Click on the logo. So click on remove logo. Scroll down. So our site title is going to be, so let's change our site title to our name. So mine is Emmanuel Tito. So the next thing we need to do is make it a little bit visible. So come over here and click on design. So come over here to title color. Let me choose white. So I'll click on white. Now it's more visible. Okay. So that's it. So click on publish to save our changes. So now let's go back to our website. So go back to your website. Just come over to the left hand side and click on the X icon. So you can see the logo has changed to our name. If you want to go back to the home page, click on your name or your logo. As you can see, our website is looking more and more like ours. So let's say a potential client visits our website. They can either choose to schedule a consultation with me or choose to contact me. Then they come here, fill in their names, email address, their budget, and the description for the site they want. And when they click on submit, the message goes directly to our email. For us to access this message, we need to install a plugin. So to do that, go over to the left hand side. Under your website title, click on dashboard. Scroll down to plugins. Click on add plugin. Let's search for WP Form add-on. So we are going to install this database add-on for WordPress forms. Click on install now. Click on activate. On your left side, scroll down and click on WP Forms DB. No message is showing yet. So let's go back to our page. Click on contact me. Let's resend another message. Same as before. So let's send this again. And if we come over here and refresh, you can see we have counts for ones. So click on contact form and you can see the message that was just sent through our website. So with this plugin, our website is complete. Visitors to be able to come to your website, read what you have to offer, and send you an email. So guys, right now we have a beautiful looking WordPress portfolio website. If you really enjoyed building this website, just click on the subscription button and give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And that's it. You have now got a fully working portfolio website built with WordPress, running on free Cloudways hosting account. If you followed along, you should have a live website that looks clean and it's ready to show to clients or employees. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, give it a like and drop a comment below if you got stuck or have any questions. And if you want more WordPress tutorials just like this, don't forget to turn on the notification and subscribe to my channel. I am working on more videos to help you grow your website and online presence. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.